Greetings, my name is Tony Silva. Today we're going to show you how to collect samples. We're going to show you how to collect both feathers and then a blood sample. This is a young black-headed kite, and I'm holding him so that he doesn't fly because he's just learned to feed himself, so he's a bit antsy to fly and explore. All birds should have a leg band or a means of identifying them. In this case, it has a closed leg band that has both my insignia, the year of hatch, and then a number that identifies the species. That information is then transferred over to the section slip. We write the species name, for example, Paeonides leucogaster, that's a white-bellied kite. My farm insignia, the year, and the leg band number. That identifies that particular bird and then allows that to be tracked to a certificate, which would have the information. It then tells me that it has a leg band number, the species, I am the holder, and then the gender. So when we collect feather samples, it's quite simple. And what you do is you want to just get as close to the vent as possible and pull out a few feathers. That's all that you really need to do. So those samples, those feather samples, are then submitted to the lab. They're put in a little envelope and they are sent off. When you collect feather samples, it's important to wash your hands between samples so you don't transfer genetic material. When you collect the blood sample, there are many ways to do it. You can take it from the jugular, you can take it from a vein in the foot, but the problem with that is that unless you're experienced, you can really hurt the bird. So what we do here, I'm going to show you very simply, is we're going to take a little blood sample from the nail. If you notice, I nicked it. We then transfer the blood sample as close to the circle as possible, and then we apply a blood clotting compound. We just hold the nail, apply the blood clotting compound to the nail. My fingers are stained because I was chopping up beetroot today for the birds. You just go ahead, wipe it, make sure that the bird is not bleeding, and then it's fine. So there you go, simple process.